Discover the power of 3D design with Blender Online through RunApps. Whether you're an artist, designer, or simply curious about 3D modeling, Blender is an incredible tool, and using it online makes it more accessible than ever. To get started, head over to RunApps and select Blender from the available applications. No need for complicated installations or heavy downloads, just a few clicks, and you're ready to dive into the world of 3D creation. Once you launch Blender Online, you'll notice a familiar interface if you've used the desktop version. Everything you need is at your fingertips: modeling, sculpting, texturing, animation, and even rendering. It's all there, running smoothly right in your browser. Imagine creating intricate 3D models, from simple shapes to complex characters, all without leaving your web browser. The online version retains all the powerful features of Blender, allowing you to work on projects anywhere, anytime. Plus, your files are saved securely, and you can access them from any device. Blender Online is perfect for both beginners and professionals. If you're just starting, there are numerous tutorials and a supportive community to help you learn. For seasoned users, it's a seamless way to work on the go. So, why wait? Take your 3D projects to the next level with Blender Online via RunApps. Start creating today and bring your imagination to life.